What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to control your Roku TV using your phone. Now over here I have a TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of Roku TV you have. By the end of this video you should be able to control any Roku TV you have using your Android phone or iPhone. Now first things first, you have to make sure that both your Roku TV and your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So basically, if you scroll over to the settings of my Roku TV over here, come over to network, you can literally see that my Roku TV over here is currently connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which I'm basically using as my Wi-Fi. And if you come over to the notification center of my Android phone over here, you can do this on both your iOS device as well. You can literally see that my Android phone is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network. So first things first is to make sure that both your phone and your TCL Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now once that is done, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, then go ahead and download and install this Roku app over here into your phone. You can literally see the app over here. Just go over to the App Store and search for Roku, and you should be able to get this Roku app over here on your phone. Download and install it, and then go ahead and launch the app just like so. Now this is actually the official Roku app, and it works on any brand of Roku TV you have. Now once the app launches, you're going to see the name of your Roku TV at the top as one of the devices you can actually connect to, or you have already connected to it. Now the reason is basically because both your phone and your Roku TV are already connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So the app automatically recognizes all of the Roku TVs and Roku devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your Roku TV. In my case, it is the TCL Roku TV over here. I'll go ahead and click on it. And automatically you're going to get this nice looking remote control that you can now use to navigate and do anything you want to do on your Roku TV. So I can basically navigate through apps if I want, and then open up any app I want using my phone. I can as well just go ahead and type on my Roku TV using the keyboard over here. So I can press on this keyboard and then type directly into the TV. This app also has other interesting features. For instance, you can actually go ahead and select any of the input sources on your Roku TV from the app directly. So I can go ahead and select HDMI 3, HDMI 1 over here. There are also other interesting things that comes with the app, because you can as well just click on the settings over here and change your remote type. Now once you change your remote type, you can now see that we have a different type of remote over here. So you can actually increase the volume of your Roku TV. You can as well go ahead and change whatever is playing using the play pause buttons over here. Now basically that is how you can control and use your mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, as remote for your Roku TV, and it works absolutely well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.